There are times when we believe we can handle anything that life throws our way. Some people seem to quickly bounce back from personal failures and setbacks, while others find it much more difficult. I have two quick questions for you. When life knocks you down, are you quick to pick yourself up and adapt to the circumstances? Or do you find yourself completely overwhelmed with little confidence in your ability to deal with the challenge? Building mental strength is fundamental to living your best life. Just as we go to the gym and lift weights in order to build our physical muscles, we must also develop our mental health through the use of mental tools and techniques. In this journey of self-discovery, we're going to explore the transformative power of Buddhism and how its profound wisdom can help you unlock your inner strength and resilience. Whether you're new to Buddhism or have been on this path for a while, there's something valuable here for everyone. Today we're diving deep into the habits that Buddhism teaches, habits that can pave the way to a stronger and more resilient mind. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos on personal development and self-improvement. And if you find value in this speech, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with those who might benefit from these valuable insights. Within the wisdom of Buddhism lie practical tools to help you navigate life's challenges with grace, compassion, and unwavering strength. Our journey towards mental strength begins with the practice of mindfulness. It's the art of being fully present in the moment, observing our thoughts, emotions, and sensations without judgment. By developing this habit, we can break free from the shackles of past regrets and future anxieties. Imagine for a moment a peaceful lake, its surface calm and unruffled. This is the state of your mind when you practice mindfulness. Instead of being tossed about by the waves of stress and distraction, you learn to anchor yourself in the present. Through mindfulness, you gain clarity, self-awareness, and a deep sense of calm. Compassion is at the heart of Buddhism, and it is a habit that is key to mental strength. By extending compassion to yourself and others, you open your heart to the interconnectedness of all living beings. Compassion is not merely an emotion, but a way of life, a choice to alleviate the suffering of others as well as your own. In Buddhism, the concept of metta, or loving-kindness meditation, is a powerful tool for nurturing compassion. It involves wishing well to all beings, including yourself, and even those you may consider as adversaries. Through this practice, you can transform negative emotions like anger and resentment into love and understanding. One of the fundamental teachings of Buddhism is the understanding of impermanence. Everything in life is in a constant state of change, and clinging to the illusion of permanence can lead to suffering. By acknowledging and accepting the impermanent nature of all things, you can free yourself from attachments and anxieties. Imagine a flowing river, always in motion, never stagnant. In the same way, life is a continuous flow of experiences, each moment passing into the next. When you embrace impermanence, you become more adaptable, less resistant to change, and better equipped to face life's uncertainties. To become mentally strong, we must let go of attachments. In Buddhism, attachment is seen as the root cause of suffering. We often cling to material possessions, relationships, and even our own self-identity. But in reality, these attachments are transient and can lead to pain when they are inevitably taken from us. By cultivating the habit of detachment, you can find freedom and peace. This doesn't mean you need to abandon all that you hold dear, but rather to develop a healthy relationship with the impermanence of life. When you let go of attachments, you gain the strength to withstand loss and adapt to change. Meditation is a cornerstone of Buddhism and a vital habit for mental strength. Through meditation, you can silence the chatter of your mind, find inner peace, and gain clarity. It allows you to explore the depths of your consciousness and develop greater self-awareness. In Buddhism, there are various meditation techniques, such as vipassana and zazen, that can help you on your journey to mental strength. By dedicating time to meditate regularly, you can cultivate a resilient and unshakable mind. Buddhism places great importance on right speech and communication. Words have immense power. They can either uplift or harm. By practicing mindfulness in your speech, you can strengthen your relationships and create a positive impact on those around you. Right speech involves being truthful, kind, and considerate in your words, Avoiding gossip, lies, and harsh language can lead to greater harmony in your interactions with others. This habit of right speech not only benefits those you communicate with, but also reinforces your own mental strength. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the blessings in our lives. Gratitude and contentment are habits that can bring tremendous strength to your mind. By appreciating the simple joys, you can shift your focus away from what you lack and toward what you have. Consider the beauty of a lotus flower emerging from the mud. It reminds us that even in difficult circumstances, we can find moments of beauty and grace. Cultivating gratitude and contentment can transform your perspective, reducing feelings of lack and boosting your mental resilience. Embracing is a fundamental framework in Buddhism that encompasses the habits and practices we've explored. It consists of right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. By aligning your life with the principles of the Eightfold Path, you can navigate life's challenges with integrity and wisdom. It serves as a guide to ethical and mental development, ultimately leading you towards enlightenment and mental strength. The wisdom of Buddhism offers a profound roadmap for transforming your life and becoming mentally strong. Through the habits of mindfulness, compassion, embracing impermanence, letting go of attachments, meditation, right speech, gratitude, and the Noble Eightfold Path, you have the tools to unlock your inner resilience. By embracing these habits, you can transcend the limitations of the mind, develop profound inner strength, and lead a life filled with purpose and fulfillment. The journey of self-discovery and empowerment is within your reach. May the teachings of Buddhism be your guiding light as you embark on this enlightening path. Remember, transformation takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself as you cultivate these habits, and may your journey towards mental strength be filled with grace and strength. If you found this video insightful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with those who might benefit, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more empowering content. Your feedback and engagement mean the world to me, and I look forward to hearing your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for being part of this incredible community. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.